that one right there. Got the generator up front here.
What?
Generator. Oh, you can't open it unless you use two hands. Ooh. Water bay. There's that grill. You see, it's got two gray tanks. No, wait a minute. It's got two black tanks and one gray tank. There's an outside shower.
Let's see if one more can.
It's got the cord reel.
But what's that antenna for?
I imagine there's some sort of a stereo or something. Got the receiver for a hitch. It's got a backup camera or a rear view camera. It's got electric awnings on the slide and on the side over there. LED lights on the TV. Furion. It's just 720p.
It's what?
A 720p. It's got the aluminum 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Quick connect. Oh. This one doesn't have gas struts. Nice, big, deep.
Gas struts.
To hold the door open, using magnets instead. Wired for solar. There's the vacuum cleaner. Connections for TV. It's got three 40-pound LP tanks.
Oh, I thought it had four.
No, three 40-pound. One on this side, two on the other, and I think one of them is hooked to the generator. That's the way it works. $5,500 Cummins LP generator. Lots of room for batteries over there.
It says storage on top too.
Yeah. It's got the MotorRide.
Huh?
It's got the MotorRide hitch. We like this entry handle. You can actually step up on the step, still open the door. It's got an extra wide entry door. It's a huge refrigerator, but it is a two-way RV refrigerator.
It's got storage on the side here.
For some reason, I had it in my head it had a Dometic refrigerator, but that's a Norcold. Pantry. Doesn't appear to be lighted.
It's got dealer prep for $400, so it brings it up to $123 and $216.
Kind of like that sink. It's that country sink, but it's stainless steel.
See, I thought it's got two doors right there, and I thought it was storage, but I couldn't get them open.
I think they are just stiff. Televator.
I like the
Couch.
tables
Oh, the table's
and
in there.
and the couch,
It's not very comfortable.
and it doesn't.
Well, it's not bad though.
It's got the wood or whatever here. Doesn't have the valances coming down.
Right. Yeah, I think that does look better.
Insulated windows.
Yeah, they are double pane. And there's plenty of them. And if that TV's down, there's a window behind it too. And one of my favorite parts, little half bath.
And that footstool is storage footstool.
Oh, look at how tall the storage is in here. It's got the medicine cabinet, but it's got a pretty good size cabinet up here too.
Uh-huh. And then a cabinet
You'd have to
here.
stand on the commode to get to it. And there's a cabinet in the corner.
Shelves underneath.
Ooh. Oh, TP roller.
Huh?
The TP roller on the inside of the door.
I don't understand the TV. TP.
Yeah, toilet paper roll on the inside of the door. Apparently this is a light switch as you come in the entry. There's a control panel of some sort. There's a control panel. Holy smokes. The lighting is funky. It's got some storage here. Coat closet.
Are you sure it's got a protection?
And one up here. It's got some sort of a thing in here. Looks like a Wi-Fi booster.
It's got a protection of.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Furion convection microwave and the oven. I think it's got a nice open look to it.
I think
Doesn't
so.
look crowded in. The ceilings are nice and high, that's for sure. But even in the bedroom, I'm not close to hitting the ceiling. And I like coming directly into the bedroom. Up the stairs, directly into the bedroom. Another TV. And then from the bedroom into the bath. Nice big shower, no tub. double sinks, double medicine cabinets. Do I know that guy?
Mm-hmm.
And then the closet. It's not a walk-in. Ooh, it's dark in there. That's not going to show. It's got little storage cubbies on each end.
What would you,
And this cabinet here, it has the washer and dryer hookups. But if you put a combo unit on there, you could still have that shelf above the washer and dryer.
and those shelves back there, would you put your shoes? Would they be easy to
The
get
shoes
to?
might go back there, but those cabinets there would be where you put extra towels and blankets, I think, because those are pretty deep.
Yeah, but we could put extra towels
I
and
like that.
blankets.
I like
in-
that skylight here, and there's a skylight above the shower, and the fan in here is one of the nice big quiet, big diameter fans.
In that bathroom down there, on that top cabinet, you could put extra blank towels because
Yeah.
you wouldn't be using them all the time.
Right. And these nice solid sliding doors. Like that.
What are these? Are these lights for in here?
Yeah, I think they've got no, there's no batteries in it. The cabinets on each end of the TV.
It's only got four drawers where we've got 6.
Grab one in. What's all that?
Looks like hoses or air hose right there.
Looks like battery cables, a filter wrench. That looks like, oh, that's your vacuum cleaner hose.
Yeah, but not right there. See that blue thing?
This is outside shower hose. Tire tool. Okay.
Would our mattress fit on there?
I like the headboard. I don't know. I haven't seen it close up to see how close it would come to. I think I'd probably leave the mattress.
Why? You like that mattress, and I like the sleeping on it. See if you can get these drawers open.
Okay, there's storage along the top, and then there's storage along the bottom.
See, there's
Storage up here.
cabinet here. There's one. It's got 6
Storage
drawers.
there. Those are probably not very deep. They're not too bad. And then some storage down here.
Oh, there was it?
Yeah.
I wanted to see the inside of it.
Kind of dark back up in there, but probably what, 8 inches maybe deep?
Yeah.
Maybe that much wide,
Huh?
and maybe that wide.
The lights are pretty.
I like them. I even like the ones above the sink. There's another Maxxair or
Would we
Yeah.
have enough storage?
is this bathroom vented too? Oh yeah. It's a standard bathroom fan.
Would we have enough storage for our pans and dishes?
Yeah, I think so. I have no idea what that is. Oh, it's a outlet.
It's still pretty light in here, even with that TV up.